What's going on, Joyriders? So we've had our first issue with the diesel, so we're gonna go head over to my buddy Nick's place. He's a diesel mechanic. I'm gonna have him take a look at it because I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, this is my first actual diesel, not counting the RV, so I don't really know a whole bunch about diesels, so I'm still learning. I'm gonna take the truck over to him, we're gonna do a full service on it, change the oil. That thing holds 15 quarts of oil, which is insane. So we're gonna do that and change the fuel filter, and then just have him kind of look over the truck and then find out what this issue is. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, this is the 03 Cobra, and then there's the GT500 that has been on the channel since the beginning. We're about to do a bunch of fun mods to it, so we're gonna start modding this thing soon. But anyways, we're gonna hop over here in the diesel. I cleaned it all up the other yesterday because all the salt and everything on the road, and dude, she looks so good cleaned up. I got the kids loaded up in the back. You ready, bud? All right, we got Liam right here. You want to say hi to the vlog, bud? He still don't know how to vlog. You ready, bud? Yeah. Let's go do this. You're gonna go to Sadie's house? You're gonna go hang out with Sadie? You're gonna go hang out with Sadie, and then we're gonna go head over to my buddy's shop. So this is the issue that I was telling you guys about, water and fuel. So, I don't know. Everything else seems to be fine. Okay. We're rolling up to the DAC for Hours mansion right now. If you guys didn't see the video where we did the tour of this crazy big house, you guys gotta check it out. But that's it right there. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in there, drop you guys off. You gonna go hang out with Sadie? Like I said before, all this diesel stuff is new to me. Now that is a badass garage. Holy shit. That's goals right there. So much for a clean truck. Oh boy. I literally just washed it yesterday, but after we leave here, we'll have to go somewhere and just spray it off. Be alright. Damn, Nick, you guys gotta get these roads paved. I don't know how you get your Mustang up and down this. When are you gonna get this thing back together?
When I stop taking in jobs like this that require my lift.
It's a nice garage.
I need bigger.
Yeah, you do need a bigger one. It's actually really big, but you've got big shit in here.
Always.
You've never ran this with the Whipple, have you?
It's been rain, but
you know what they need to do is pave your roads.
yeah. Not this spring coming, but next spring I will be posting the house on sale. Moving back towards the we got a big old 4-inch gas pipeline.
Fuel filter and oil filter. Which one are you pulling out now, the fuel or the oil? Motorcraft? Aftermarket fuel filter?
Yep, you can see how it only catches the dirt on the bottom of it. The top of it's brand new.
Wow.
And the factory Ford ones have an aqua wrap on them. So that catches all the water too. That doesn't let it pass by the filter.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So go with the Motorcraft.
Oh yeah. They got the drain motor?
Yep. Damn. Is that barrel gonna hold all 15 quarts?
Yeah. Oh, they got more 15 quarts. So right there, it's a 6mm.
Okay.
One thing I recommend is one of these with the slot.
What is that? It's like an Allen key almost?
Yeah, the Allen key.
Alright. I'll just take yours. You probably got extra.
I do, but it's not like this one. This one's my baby.
So the water and fuel light is gone. I guess there's like a valve or something like that that Nick drained on the fuel pump and kind of like, I guess, drains the water out of it, and then changing the fuel filter and all that good stuff. Fixed it, so it looks like we're good to go. One other issue is my wheel bearing on the driver's side is going bad, so got a bad wheel bearing over there. Passenger side is okay, so we're gonna have him fix it. We're gonna order up some parts, get that all fixed and squared away. And other than that, everything else in the truck looked pretty straight to him, and he said that the head studs looked like they were just done not too long ago. He said normally those bolts are completely rusted, and I just have very little surface rust on them. Like, he knows his shit when it comes to diesels. He's like the diesel man. So you guys give him a follow. We're heading back to the house. Well, actually, not back to my house, but we're heading over to the Dak for Hours mansion. That's where we're going right now. That's where the little guys are. And then when Laura gets off of work, I don't think I mentioned that earlier, she's at work right now. So when she gets off work, she's gonna come over there. We're all gonna just like kind of hang out, have some friends over. Trying to keep the truck clean? That didn't last very long. It's so dirty. Hey. Off to the store. Oh shit. See how dirty it is?
What did you do? Wow, I actually feel too small in the front.
You feel small?
Yeah.
Got all the mud off, we had to do that. What's up? Steroid, dude. What, did you guys just go mudding?
No, it's her driveway.
The driveway? That's Front Royal for you, isn't it?
Hey, gotta come to Strasburg to wash all the mud off, that way they can have it.
Right? We always run into people we know everywhere we go in this area. That's why I like about living in a small area. We're heading out, gotta go to the grocery store, pick up some last minute things. That was D-Roy. He's actually the guy that bought the stock wheels off my mom's Mustang. All right, we got that one? Yep. I think we're good. Boop, 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 boop. See, listen to that. We need to cut that. It rubs as soon as I cut real tight. She rubs a little. You gotta update the vlog, tell them what we're doing.
We're going to Food Lion to get last minute things.
Transition the vlog. What are we doing?
Eating.
Eating? All right. So you're gonna show us two-step?
If it's on.
If it's on, he doesn't know. He's never tried it yet, right?
Not on this setup, no.
Not on this setup? All right, and you guys are going to Motorama, right? So look for him at Motorama. She's gonna be modeling.
Vote for me.
You're gonna be modeling at Motorama?
I'm gonna be in the bikini contest. I'm competing for Miss Motorama.
All right, Instagram will be like linked in here somewhere on the screen. Check her out, go vote for her, but we'll all be going to Motorama. We're gonna link up, right?
Yes.
All right, we'll do that. And then your car is gonna be there too.
Yeah, my car.
What booth?
At Illusions Racks.
All right, so you guys go check them out if you're going to Motorama. I'll definitely be at Motorama as well. Dude, this wrap is so crazy looking.
It'll look better when it's clean.
Yeah, but you can't really tell. Slushy.
Doesn't sound good on camera, so it probably sounds like ass.
Yeah, but in person, that thing sounds really, really good. So what is it, just pretty much full bolt-on?
4-port fuel injection system, front mount intercooler, catless downpipe, ST performance exhaust.
She throwing snow at people?
Being stratified tuned right now, not done yet.
Just so you know, you are the best cook.
Hands down.
Hands down. Cheesecake bites. All this, what is this? What do you call that thing again?
Hasselback potato.
Hasselback potato, and then those are Les's, what is that?
These are young boys.
Where'd you get them?
Oh. Yeah, I went looking, around the block.
Hey Les.
Hey.
Look who came to hung out. What'd you drive?
Subaru.
Oh shit. And then she almost bought a Mustang the other day but didn't?
Didn't.
What happened?
Damn convertible top this weekend.
So you backed out. But you're gonna get another one, right? Or one.
You know what?
Waffle House tomorrow night, 10:30.
Here we go again.
10:30.
Here we go.
Tom's like, I'm gonna be there, make sure you.
Always gotta embarrass somebody.
I'm trying to play matchmaker here. I'm trying to fix this lovely lady up with this lovely guy.
And he's embarrassing us at the same time.
I don't think I'm embarrassing him. Am I embarrassing you? No. See?
I'm in the car business. I gotta have thick skin.
Yeah, she's got thick skin.
Thick skin too, but now when somebody's put me on spotlight.
So I basically set up a date, a time, and everything for him. So I'm just hoping they show up.
She didn't confirm and say yes either, so there we go.
Tom's like, I'm gonna be there.
Be there whether they're there or not.
He just wants Waffle House.
Yeah, I set up a date for Waffle House for him, but we'll see what happens. Stephen City Waffle House tomorrow night at 10:30. We'll have like a big, huge meet out there.
You'll be hiding in the bushes with your camera.
Yeah.
He would do that, yes he would. He would definitely be like stalker status.
No.
Yeah, he would.
I've never hid in the bushes with my camera.
Oh my god, look at this weirdo! Excuse me, sir? Yeah. Sir, what are you doing?
B-roll for your vlog.
My vlog?
Yes.
You look you're such a you're creepy. Also, there's no couple hours. Did you ever see that there's like a theory out there that
Whatever, you hang out the bushes outside of my bedroom window every day.
Busted.
I was just seeing if you were home, dude.
Yeah.
Come on. Tell them what you order at Waffle House.
The blue waffle. Gotta get the blue waffle. That's the best waffle they got. You guys are gonna order on your first.
And I told these two, if they went to Waffle House, it would be on me. Literally.
We ain't getting that kinky on the first date now, alright?
You eat the blue waffle? So I got Eric to walk Cat out. So I'm gonna go over here in the window and spy on him. Hey Les, is there a way to cut this light off so I can see? Yeah, so we could see out this window. Look at that. They noticed me. Oh shit, they noticed me. You guys better kiss, do it for the vlog. So I'm sitting here trying to play matchmaker here. I think I'm really good at it.
No, you suck at it. No,
What?
You're really horrible at it.
You've got a really good history of matchmaking.
Ask Hedda.
What? What do you mean?
Oh, who'd whoa.
Who'd you set up with henna?
Yeah, who's
Yeah.
that? Who was that?
Hold on.
Baby, I swear to God, you're so
What?
I said, I swear to God, you're so embarrassing.
Dude.
I don't need your help. If you would just stop, I could be myself.
Dude, I think I helped a lot.
No.
Did you show her your face?
No.
Oh my god.
Hey. Did you kiss?
No.
Oh, come on, dude. When I said do it for the vlog, you should have looked at her and be like, we gotta do it. He said do it for the vlog.
No.
Hey, you know, do it for the ratings.
Walking like that in front of me. Bert, I don't want to hear that nasty shit.
Look, now you got in trouble.
That's okay. That ain't nothing new.
I don't want to.
I'm going home with Tom tonight.
Good.
All right, let's go.
Anyways,
Just
it's
stop.
gonna happen.
Just stop, dude. Just stop. Come on.
I'm trying it. I'm trying here.
I don't even know where to go with it.
Waffle House, 10:30.
Amanda.
What? No, I'm not right now.
So we're getting ready to wrap up tonight. It was fun just hanging out with a bunch of friends and everything after we just got back. After I went over to Nick's place and got the truck serviced, oil change, fuel filter. Still learning about the diesel stuff. But Tom, he had me blocked in. So he gave me the keys to his car, said move it. leave the keys in it, leave it running because he's about to leave here shortly. But look what I did. I had to get out on the passenger side. So as he comes back, he's not gonna be able to get in the car.
That's so messed up. Funny, but messed up.
Yeah. But too bad I'm not gonna get to see his reaction because I'm gonna head out.
That's doing him dirty.
Oh well. All right, man.
All right, bye. Maybe else
Take care. Yep. Woo.
And then me and right here.
Yep. And then we got Liam in there. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Call it a night. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna have a bunch of fun content with not only this truck, the Terminator Cobra, and then we're gonna do some more things to the GT500. So we're gonna have a lot of exciting things. Especially come springtime, we're gonna be doing tons and tons of stuff. Right now with it being kind of cold and chilly out, it's kind of hard to do car content stuff, not too much going on. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. What?
What about the Fiat?
Fiat. I don't know about the Fiat. Anyways, bye.